Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Remy here. Let's see what I made for overnight oats for my son and my husband. So here I'm making this in the night, and this is going to be their breakfast next day. In an empty jar, I've taken one banana, finely chop it like a diced or cube shape. Then 5 to 6 strawberries, cut it into small pieces like dice only. Next, I'm going to add this pecan. Write in the comment, did I say it right? Pecan or pecan, how do you say that? It's optional, you can add your favorite nuts here. So I'm going to add cashews here. So we have pecan, we have this cashew nuts. Next we're going to add, here you can see how delicious it looks. Here I'm adding flaxseed, 1 teaspoon each. I'm going to add this rolled oats here. 1 to 2 tablespoons is enough. So in this recipe, I'm not going to cook the oats. We are adding the dried version only. So here you can see I'm adding 2 tablespoons of each in each jars. So this recipe we are adding almond milk, and it said that we can add Greek yogurt to combine with this almond milk, but my kid doesn't like it, so I'm going to avoid adding the Greek yogurt here. I've added 1 teaspoon of chia seed each. So we have chia seed, we have flax, and we have banana, strawberry, cashew nut, pecan, and here I'm again adding the banana. You can add apple also. Apple also tastes good. I don't like to add grapes here. Maybe, I don't know, because of the milk combination that it's going to be. But you can add blueberry, or you can add other favorite toppings to it. So I'm adding the leftover strawberry and banana that I finally chopped. Here I've soaked dates in the water for 5 to 10 minutes. After some time, just finely chop it and add it to the jar. Next, I'm going to add this almond milk. Usually overnight oats has almond milk, plus we can add Greek yogurt here. As my kid and my husband said they don't want to make this combination, so I'm going to avoid it. But yes, this goes well, almond milk and Greek yogurt. Plus you can add your favorite toppings, like you can add blueberries, raspberries and all. But this is how my family loves it. They want little honey for the sweetness. We have dates though. This is optional. You can add honey to make the almond milk little sweeter. As I am adding the unsweetened almond milk here. That's it. Now give it a good mix. So I've soaked almonds also. You can see almonds in the bowl behind this jar that I'm going to add in the morning while I serve. I'll peel the skin before adding it to the jar. So almond is also there. This is so enriching, very tasty, rich in nutrients, and a very easy recipe that you can make. No cooking, just a few minutes of chopping all the fruits. That's it, and here it's ready. Overnight oats. This is next day morning. I took out the overnight oats from the refrigerator. It's very chilled. So keep it at room temperature for 30 minutes. Now it's ready to be served. So here my husband is having his overnight oats. Give it a good shake before you enjoy it. Look how delicious it looks. The banana, the strawberry, chia seed, everything is combined so well. I'm adding the almonds here. You have to peel the almond skin and then add it to the I hope you
Oats.
enjoyed my recipe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I share a lot of recipes and many more are coming soon.